Hello everyone, my name is Manoj Kumar. Now I'm going to explain program to generate tambola numbers using Python. Okay, here these both are commands in the Python programming language. Here we are going to find how to generate tambola numbers using Python programming language. Okay, first of all, what is tambola? Tambola means it is a game that includes a billboard with numbers from 1 to 90 numbers. Okay, we have 1 to 90 numbers in tambola. Okay, and tambola tickets with some random numbers. Okay, we have jellyfy, first round, second round, third round, and full housey in tambola. Since from our childhood we are playing tambola. So now let's start writing the code. Okay, here I want to generate numbers randomly. Okay, to generate numbers randomly, I am importing random module. Here import is a keyword which is used to import modules, and random is a module that can generate numbers in Python. Means in random module we have different types of random functions. With the help of those functions we can generate random numbers in Python. Okay. Here import random as R. I wrote import random as R. Means instead of writing random dot choice random dot sample, we can write r dot choice r dot sample. Okay, for easy way, understanding way. Now I'm declaring a variable t is equal to r dot of sample. Okay, inside sample range of 1 to 91 comma 90. Here r dot sample is a function which is present inside the random module. R dot sample function ensures that each number in the range. Okay, this function ensures that each number in the range of 1 to 91 is unique in the sample. Okay, unique means it will print or it will generate only once. It won't repeat, which is suitable for tambola numbers where repetition is not allowed. Okay, if I got a number 5 and again I want to get number 5, it won't happen. Once only it will generate 5. Okay, here in the range 1 is inclusive and 91 is exclusive. Okay, here in tambola we have 1 to 90 numbers only na. 91 number is not present in tambola, so 1 is inclusive and 91 is exclusive. Okay, here this 90 specifies the length of the sample, means how much we have to print, means up to 90 times I want to print. So this 90 specifies that many times we have to print or generate, means it specifies the length of the sample. Okay, this 90 specifies the length of the sample. Next, now I'm writing for loop for num in t. Okay, here num is a variable. Okay, I'm printing number. Here I'm printing some random number which is r dot of sample of range of between 1 to 91, means any number we can get. Wait, I will show. 4, 66, 89, 90, 2. I write random numbers we can get. Okay, input of, here input is a function which is used to ask input from the user, means our inside input function I'm printing some message, tab on enter for next number. Okay, here I'm printing means I'm generating one random number here, okay, with the help of print, and with the help of input function I am printing some message in the output screen, and I'm asking the user if I tab on enter for next number, means if I tab on enter I should get next number. Okay, now I'm running this program. See, saving. See, I got one random number as 18. Okay, and it's asking tab on enter for next number. Okay, I'm pressing enter. See, 52, 57, 87, 9. Here we are getting the numbers randomly, and which of the number is not repeating, and here the number is not repeating. If 10 is there, right, the 10 won't repeat again. 7, 16, 81, 5 means why? Because we are using here r dot of sample function. R dot of sample function does not print twice, it print only unique, only once. Okay, you can give here, see, enter. 56, 51, 55, 21, up to 90 we can give it 90 times. Why? Because here we mentioned it as 90. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. If the video is nice, like it and share it to your friends, and please subscribe to my channel, and please share your feedback in the comment section also, so that it will be helpful for me. Thank you.